Paris is not only inspirational but also the capital of style and fashion, so looking stylish is essential to fit in. As a fashion designer, outfits played a big role in this trip. I will show you 8 different outfits created with 13 pieces that I wore during my 4-day adventure. These outfits were perfect for sitting, chatting and eating in parks, relaxing at Parisian cafes, visiting the Yves Saint Laurent Museum and going luxury shopping. Before my trips, I always think through my outfits to avoid overpacking, so I opted for a minimalist travel capsule for Paris. Parisian style is timeless, elegant and effortlessly practical, which guided my packing choices. I assessed how many days and occasions I needed clothes for, made a list and tried on possible outfit combinations. The key was selecting versatile pieces that could be mixed and matched to create different looks. A good rule I always keep in mind is to opt for a neutral color palette and choose key items based on the plans for the trip. I always pack my clothes between dry cleaning plastic bags and place them across the width of the suitcase to minimize wrinkling. The visit to Paris was very special and long-awaited. It marked my first girlfriend's trip with my close friend Anne, since my husband and I welcomed our 3rd child. We left home at night, and since it was chilly in both Estonia and Paris, I chose a comfortable outfit of wide leg pants and a bodysuit, layered with a long, warm cashmere cardigan and accessorized with a scarf. As we had time before reaching the hotel, we enjoyed some views and cafes. Since Anne lived in Paris years ago, she was the best tour guide I could have wished for. By the way, you can download all the looks I wore from the description down below. We explored the city on foot, taking long walks to uncover Paris treasures. I chose Mariliis black Aria silk slip dress as one of the key items for this trip, because it's a versatile piece that can be dressed down during the day and dressed up for evenings. On the first afternoon, as it was rather cool, I layered it with a lightweight black bomber jacket. As close friends and both creative people, we shared the same interests and enjoyed the same places. We visited the Louvre, enjoyed sitting and chatting in parks, laughing about how we felt like girls again, not mothers and entrepreneurs with different duties and responsibilities. Our aim was to enjoy quality time and blend in, enjoy good food and drink champagne on Friday night among Parisians. On the second day, we visited the Yves Saint Laurent exhibition transparencies, which was really inspiring. I wore a creamy silk blouse with bow detail paired with one of my favorite flowy silk skirts in an olive pattern, layered with an ivory jacket for the walk to the museum. As always, in addition to admiring the design, I like to explore the techniques used in grading the pieces, and most of them were made with superior quality. During the exhibition, we also had the chance to visit his original atelier, which I must say was the most interesting part. It was truly inspiring to see how he worked and the space he needed for his creative work. I could see similarities between his approach and my own when envisioning how I would set up my next bigger atelier. As it was rainy, after visiting the exhibition, we returned to the hotel. In the afternoon, we spent some time enjoying the Parisian window displays, which are full of details. The artistry and creativity that go into these windows to tell a unique story were very inspiring. I had packed a pair of jeans for rainy weather, which I paired with a black statement bomber jacket. During all my trips, I tried to visit luxury boutiques. It's part of my work to research how they operate, how the pieces are constructed and made, and the quality they offer. For that, I paired my black silk slip dress with a beige cashmere sweater and ivory jacket. Although we visited various high-end boutiques from Chanel to Dior to Burberry and Jimmy Choo, our best experience was at Alexander McQueen, where we spent 2 hours accompanied by champagne. We felt the genuine commitment of the staff, who not only recommended beautiful pieces that would suit us, but also talked about the brand's background and the boutique's interior design. Experiencing this level of service made me proud of the experiences we offer our customers at Marimo Boutique, and I feel that our customer service is on the highest level compared to world-famous luxury designer brands. I didn't plan to buy anything, but since the experience was so nice and I needed a small black bag anyway, I finally chose the one without crystals after 2 hours of trying different ones. For another long city walk, I opted for a lightweight wool combo, grey shorts and a bomber jacket. There's nothing more chic than this combo for slightly chilly weather. As we explored the city on foot, I wore very comfortable black sneakers. Since shoes take up a lot of space in luggage, I always limit the number of shoes I take with me, and this time I chose 2 pairs of sneakers in black and white, which matched all my outfits. Kids always look forward to something special when we return from our travels, so on the last day we went shopping. I wore a very casual outfit with the black slip dress again, this time combined with the grey bomber jacket. Last day went by quickly and it was time to fly back home. I opted for a very comfortable combo of jeans and a black silk top under a lightweight cashmere cardigan, while we enjoyed our final lunch in the park and at the airport. Although it was a truly refreshing girlfriend's trip, it was so good to come home and see smiling faces of our children. They were all thrilled with their new Parisian garments. Thinking through all the outfits helped me pack only what I needed, and as you saw from the outfits, layering was key. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I wore throughout our trip and experiencing the true Parisian vibe. Discover more styling ideas from my style guide. You'd be surprised at how many looks you can create with one single piece.